Hi everyone, welcome to a new daily watchlist. My name is Martijn. I'll be going over the main pairs for today. So first of all, let's kick it off with the euro dollar. Not really a lot happened since yesterday. I just said yesterday we could make a pullback. Like it is very likely after such a run that price will make a pullback. Currently that happened. Keep in mind price is still bullish. However, it is currently inside of a supply zone. So what could happen now is that we make like a further pullback today, that we go until this demand zone and maybe go up from there, or eventually go down to this trend line and break the trend line on there. For now, a further pullback is likely for me. However, yeah, if we can break like the lower time frame highs in here, so like the lower high basically, then we could easily start moving up again, go to a better value in supply and make like a further bigger drop immediately from there. Now let's go to the DXY to see why I think we can make a further pullback, basically because we're coming out of this demand zone, right? I'm expecting it to go a little bit further, to go into this supply zone until we gonna make like a pullback from the supply zone. So we go up again and then we go down again. Maybe eventually we can break this trend line. If this trend line can be broken, that will confirm that the DXY can start moving up again. We come from demand, we start breaking a trend line. That means we have a change of structure, basically a 4-hour change of structure, and that could take us further up again. So that's just basic market dynamics. For now, yeah, price is basically still bearish, so it is easily possible that it starts to move down again, visit maybe the lower end. But for now, yeah, I think a further pullback is likely. So hop over to the AUD-US dollar, and regarding the AUD-US dollar, same thing. It coming out of supply, it's still highly bullish, but it will be possible for price to make like a further drop basically, and maybe eventually break this trend line. So that's what I'm watching. Now let's go to the NZDUSD dollar. And regarding the NZDUSD dollar, exactly same thing, coming out of supply. I think we can make like a pullback. However, the NZDUSD dollar is a little bit more bullish than the rest of them. So what could happen, for example, on SDUSD dollar is that we make like a further pullback. So maybe if price makes like a little pullback on the DXY, that the NZDUSD dollar starts to shoot up and visit like the higher supply in here before it starts to make like a further bigger pullback to the downside. And yeah, that said, go over to the GBPUSD dollar. Now, regarding the GBPUSD dollar, we are currently inside of this supply zone. So yeah, we had a trade yesterday. We were in this supply zone, a very good supply zone, and we made a pullback. So GBPUSD dollar was the only trade, the only pair where we had a trade on. We hit TP1, and if we make like a further pullback, we can easily go into the newly created demand zone in there. Yeah, that's what I'm watching. So either way, like a further pullback, or we're just gonna go up again on a low time frame, 15 minutes, things like that. We start breaking like the lower highs basically, and after that start moving up again, make like maybe a new high before we continue this downfall. So it would still be possible that we're gonna take out these highs, take liquidity, and then make a down move. Like first take out other shorts, and then make like a big drop, big rally to the downside. But I want to see it. Like for now, I think a further drop is likely. So that's what I'm watching, I'm anticipating on. Let's go to gold. And regarding gold, yeah, same scenario again. We are in supply. Everything is possible. Like for now, it is still highly bullish, but a further drop is likely. I think we can still be ranging in May. I don't think we're gonna hit like a new all-time high very easily. However, yeah, it is always likely. It is always possible, you know. Like for now, most likely scenario is that we're just gonna make like further pullback. We visit the lows again. We break the trend line. Yada yada yada. So that's also what I'm watching and what I'm anticipating on for now. There's not really a lot of news today. We got some we got some FOMC, some minor news, but not really any red folder news or some things like that. So not really very interesting today. We could still see some end of the week volatility by the end of the day, but for now I don't think we're gonna really make a lot of big moves for today. So yeah, regarding the Bitcoin, we came out of the supply zone. Also a pullback happened. We could make like a further pullback, a further leg down, especially on the Bitcoin, because we had these two big candles, this volume being taken out, liquidity being taken out. We could easily start moving down again. Maybe visit like the mid-range in here, so like where this trend line is, maybe visit like that area or even lower. Yeah, that's what I'm watching for now. Not really a very long video, but at least if some things will change, I'm gonna make an update in the Telegram, so be sure to join that. And then I will see you guys on Monday again with a new video. And yeah, have a great weekend, and I will speak to you next week. Bye bye.